Today I wanted to expand on a different dimension of completion. The dimension of perpetual completion that happens, please understand, that happens by constantly completing not just with your root pattern, all the pain patterns. 48 days do Samskara Dahana Kriya. Samskara Dahana Kriya means burning all your pain patterns, which is the root of suffering in your life. 48 days of Samskara Dahana Kriya can solve thousands and thousands of pain patterns in you. Please understand. Samskara Dahana Kriya has 4 layers. Please listen to the instruction. First, sitting and penning down all your pain patterns. Then reliving them in your inner space. Then reliving them using the mirror and sitting with somebody and sharing and listening, providing listening for them to complete. Understand the science of completion. Understand the science of completion is so powerful. It can just destroy so much of pain you carry, which you are not completing by everyday completion. The Samskara Dahana Kriya is one of the very comprehensive completion process. When you just sit and relive, sometimes you miss some incidents, you miss the depth, you miss to catch the exact pain pattern. But the Samskara Dahana Kriya is the most powerful process. This unique, powerful completion process has 4 steps. Start penning down your earliest memories of your life, all the pain patterns, pains you experienced in your life. Physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, psychological pain, all the pains, pen them down and relive them in your inner space and relieve at least 5 times. Then relive them and relieve them using the mirror. Then sit with another person, go on sharing, share at least 5 times. Listen at least 5 persons completion story. After completion, destroy the paper you wrote, in which you wrote all your pains, and burn them away. If you are near by our temple, center, ashram, you can do Rudrahoma and burn those papers. Otherwise, just burn them safely and dispose them. If people are feeling shy to talk to each other, share their incompletions, let them sit with the mirror and talk to the mirror. But go on and on. At least 5 times. Talk to the mirror. Listen, Samskara Dahana Kriya has 21 action. Penning down all the pains you went through in your life, the first action. Second, reliving 5 times in your inner space. Third, reliving using the mirror. Fourth, sharing with somebody 5 times. Fifth, listening to other person's incompletions, at least 5 members. So if you see, it will be 21 actions. Start with the earliest painful memories of your life and recall all the unpleasant incidents of your life. And pen down. Once you pen down, relive in your inner space and then relive using the mirror and then relive using the other person's eyes by sharing. Be a space of listening for other person to complete. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment will leave your system if you do completion, Samskara Dahana Kriya, for 48 days. The pain of unfulfillment. Understand? The pain of unfulfillment which you carry in your life constantly, which started in your life the moment the root pattern started, that will melt down. The more and more beings you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. The more and more people you cause completion, the more and more you become complete. The more and more human beings you lead them to Samskara Dahana Kriya, more and more of your samskaras get burnt. Literally, this process, when you enrich others, enriches you. After 10-15 days, the subtle pain patterns will start coming out, erupting out. Completion with all of them, those subtle pain patterns, pain points, leads to deeper and deeper cleansing. And I tell you, 48 days of Samskara Dahana Kriya will surely give you some siddhi, some miracle power. If you think you don't have time for the Samskara Dahana Kriya, that is one more pain pattern. Sit and pen down when you started creating that pain pattern and complete. Your tiredness is a pain pattern. Boredom is a pain pattern. Being non-focused is a pain pattern. Getting irritated is from pain pattern. Anything which you have other than samadhi is pain pattern. Anything which you have other than samadhi is pain pattern. Sit and complete. Whoever believes they have pain and world has pain, do this samskara dahana kriya for next 48 days. Enrich, teach. I tell you, there are millions of people who are suffering, waiting for some solution. They will listen to you. Actually, if you start today, the 45th day comes as Vijayadashami. Maybe the last 3 days you can do twice, morning and evening. And Vijayadashami day we can conclude. Even in between few days, if you want, you can do morning and evening and take few days break. So keep it this way, at least 48 times you should have done. Samskara Dahana Kriya completion can be done even through two-way video conferencing or the Skype call. But you have to see each other's face. Only then it becomes effective. So every day till Vijayadashami, we will all be doing the Samskara Dahana Kriya. We should all be doing the Samskara Dahana Kriya. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.